Romanian Duolingo tutorial. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series, I help language learners with their understanding of the Romanian language lessons on Duolingo. In this episode, we're going to do lesson 3 from Basic 1. The target vocabulary is măr, pâine, mănânc, mănânci, apă, lapte, beau, bei, sau. Let's start. Hai să începem. Select the word for milk. In the first image we have lapte. Second, femeie. Third, cafea. Cafea means coffee. Femeie means woman. Lapte means milk. Lapte, milk. Let's continue. Select the word for apple. In the first image we have băiat. Second, măr. Third, fată. Fată means girl. Măr means apple. Băiat means boy. Apple, măr. Check, correct. Let's continue. Select the word for bread. In the first image we have apă. The second one, pâine. Third one, bărbat. Bărbat means man. Pâine means bread. Apă means water. Bread, pâine. Let's check. Correct. Continue. Select the word for water. In the first image we have suc. Second one, apă. Third one, pâine. Pâine means bread. Apă means water. Suc means juice. So, water, apă. Check. Correct. Let's continue. Write this in English. Tu mănânci pâine. Tu mănânci pâine. You are eating bread. You are eating bread. Tu mănânci pâine. Correct. Eu beau apă. Eu beau apă. I drink water. Eu beau apă. Correct. Let's continue. Tu nu bei apă. Tu nu bei apă. You are not drinking water. Tu nu bei apă. Correct. Write this in English. Tu bei apă sau lapte. Tu bei apă sau lapte. You drink water or milk. Let's check. Correct. Tu bei apă sau lapte. Let's continue. Eu mănânc un măr. Eu mănânc un măr. Let's write this in English. I am eating an apple. Eu mănânc un măr. Let's check. We are correct. Eu mănânc un măr. Let's continue. And we have finished another lesson. And that's the end of another episode in the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea signing out from Bangkok.